100 short phrases in direct speech. I love you. I can't wait. I'm so lucky. I'm not sure. I'm so tired. I can't do it. I'm on my way. I'm in a hurry. I need a break. Can I help you? Can you help me? Let's celebrate. I have a secret. I have a secret. What time is it? I'll do my best. This is amazing. I'm ready to go. I'm so grateful. I can't do this. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. I'm here for you. This is so funny. Where did you go? I need your help. I love this song. I'm really sorry. I want to travel. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How was your day? I'm running late. I won the lottery. Let's take a walk. I'll see you soon. I have a surprise. I'm really hungry. Do you have a pen? I'll be back soon. Let's make a plan. How's your family? What's for dinner? I need a vacation. I have a question. I need a vacation. I miss you so much. I'm very impressed. I'm really excited. I love your outfit. Where are we going? I need some advice. I don't want to go. I'll be right back. I need a new phone. I can't believe it. What's on the menu? What's on the menu? Hello. How are you? I don't understand. It's so hot outside. I'll call you later. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I have a great idea. This is a great idea. I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling inspired. It's raining outside. Do you have a minute? I'll always love you. Please pass the salt. Please pass the salt. I can't find my keys. Let's go to the park. Can I have some water? What's your dream job? I don't want to leave. I'll see you tomorrow. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. I'll be there on time. I don't like broccoli. I'll never forget this. This food is delicious. I'll call you tomorrow. Let's go to the movies. Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? I'm feeling adventurous. What's the weather like? I'm feeling great today. I'm feeling much better. What's your favorite food? I'm sorry for the mistake. I'll be there in a minute. I'll be there in a minute. What's your favorite book? I have a surprise for you. I can't believe it's true. What's your favorite movie? I'm sorry. I can't make it. I'll meet you at the cafe. I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day. I'll meet you at the cafe. I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget this day. What's your favorite color? I'm really excited about this.